What up, fam? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So today I have a super short video for you. It's something that I picked up on Wish. It is for your door strike plate. A lot of you guys might not know what the hell that is. This is your strike plate right here. That's your strike plate. So picked up this little gem right here. Look how dope that shit looks. It says STI on it. Now you can get this from either Wish or eBay. The ones on eBay and even Amazon, they don't. There's one on eBay that actually has a Subaru logo on it. It doesn't have STI on it. The one from Wish, it took a little while to get here. So, but this is how it is installed, and obviously it took a little while to get here because of COVID. But this is how clean it looks. It's super cheap, and it's easy to install. All you got to do is literally take the 3M backing off of it, just line it up properly with the holes and press it on. I'll show you how. Guys, just remember, added to what I just said, make sure you wipe down the surface of the strike plate, but obviously before installing anything. Mine's already pre-wiped, so the time lapse is just going to show me peeling off the backing, sticking it on there. Here we go. Yes, give it a little shine down. Look how freaking dope that shit looks. That shit is nice. Guys, as I said before, I try to find things where, you know what I'm saying, it's cheap, helps out the community, helps out your wallet on the same time. You know what I'm saying? That's really nice. I think all of these costs, I think with shipping was like $10 or something like that. You know what I mean? I think the shipping actually costs more than the actual part. It was pretty freaking dope. Super nice. Such a nice piece. Definitely, guys, check it out. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. As I said, it's cheap. You can get it, download the Wish app. You can get it on Wish or eBay. eBay doesn't have, for my STI peeps out there, eBay doesn't have it. And guys, it's not only for Subarus they have it. They got it for freaking Rams. I'm picking up some for Bruce. They got it for like all makes and models. So check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. And I'll see you guys soon. Take care.